In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to log out Facebook and Messenger from other phone. All you have to need, open the Facebook or Messenger app and tap on menu from Messenger, tap on settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will find account center. Just tap on that to access account center. And if you want to access account center from Facebook app, then go to your Facebook, tap on menu, tap on settings, in settings scroll down all up, and here you'll find account center. So just access to your account center. In account center, tap on password and security. In here you have to tap on where you are logged in, and here select your Facebook account or Messenger account. And we can see currently my Facebook or Facebook Messenger account is using in all of these devices. Now to log out of any device, just tap on select devices to log out, and now select those devices you want to remove your Facebook or Messenger account from, then tap on log out, and that's how you'll be able to log out Facebook and Messenger in other phone. Thanks for watching.